Did you ever wondered how custom hearing aid technology has evolved? Audio Service has been leading the way in custom hearing aid solutions since 1977. Let's explore this journey together. In 1977, Audio Service was founded in Germany, revolutionizing the hearing aid industry with custom hearing solutions. By 1980, the introduction of a three-step switch was a game-changer for custom devices, offering additional control over the hearing experience. In 1983, the first modular approach for faceplates and custom hearing aids was introduced. In 1988, Audio Service expanded into behind-the-ear or BTE hearing aids. This broadened the portfolio, providing more solutions for different types of hearing loss. In 2003 began the use of advanced laser technology, which has revolutionized the industry by allowing for faster, more efficient, and precise manufacturing of custom shells. In 2007, the production of individual custom click molds for RIC hearing aids began, offering more personalized solutions and a focus on tailored hearing experiences. In 2011, the unveiling of the Icon family introduced the smallest custom device, the Deep in Canal or DIC, pushing the boundaries of miniaturization. In the recent era, there has been important improvements in the in-the-ear technology offered by Audio Service. In 2018, direct streaming technology was integrated for the first time in the IDA-BT hearing aids. In 2022, the launch of the first rechargeable custom hearing aid with direct streaming was a milestone, offering users convenience and cutting-edge technology. In 2024, we introduced two key updates to our in-the-ear portfolio. We launched the Instant Fit CIC rechargeable hearing aid and later enhanced the DIC faceplate for a smaller device. Finally, in 2025, multi-track processing becomes available for custom hearing aids with the introduction of ITC and ITE in the G8 technology. Since 1977, Audio Service has partnered with many hearing care professionals around the world to build successful hearing businesses. By choosing Audio Service, you're opting for the smart choice.